have this crazy idea for today. Barely see where I'm going. I just got here to the park and it is like 7:30. It's already pretty warm. There is supposed to be a nice pond at the top of this park, and I want to go nature journal and make a video up there today. It's supposed to be really hot. So I found this cool spot, and there are all these rocks here, and there's this nice view, and I'm feeling kind of lazy. Maybe I should just stop here and just nature journal here. It's 7:30. I could just hang out here, not hike very far. Jeez, I've been here for like 5 minutes. I just took out my nature journal and the mosquitoes started to all bite me. So I guess that's the sign. I'm gonna keep hiking and get away from all these mosquitoes and try to make it to the lake before I stop, because sometimes when I go out nature journaling, I have this tendency just to like stop at the first cool place. Sometimes walking on this trail with all these rocks and this beautiful dust tracking substrate, I almost feel like I'm back in Tanzania or something. All you need to do is just add in some of those spiky acacias right here and some more hooked thorns, a little bit tighter brush, and it would be just like following along with the Hadzabe hunter-gatherers. So the road splits right here, and yeah, pretty sure that's not going that way. Yeah, this deer track right there is really cool, but you also get these, which to me don't look like an insect, but another invertebrate, like a centipede. And then here's some type of drag. Wow, oh yeah, there's tons of cool stuff in here. And look at that, what's that? Yes, so could geek out forever right here in the dirt. Whoa. But I need to keep pushing on to the lake. It's hard for me because I pretty much just want to geek out on the little stuff. Nature is so distracting. I think I brought enough water. It's not even 8 o'clock and I'm already sweating. And part of me is like, am I even gonna have enough energy to nature journal once I get to this lake? If I push myself on this trail to go find this place, I mean, I wonder if that's just the part of me that's thinking that is just what Steven Pressfield calls resistance. Maybe that's the part of me rationalizing reasons not to do something. I wonder if I'll see any reptiles today. That would be finna epic. I want to see a rattlesnake. I've nature journaled rattlesnakes before, but can't get too much pit viper. think this is a shortcut right here. I split this track in half. Now, do those two sides look the same or do they look different? They look quite different, and you'll notice, especially if we come over to this side, that the overall pattern, the outline of the toes makes almost like this hook. And if you want to see mammals when it's really hot, you need to get out early or go out in the middle of the night. Check out that view. Oh, there's a mosquito. Just loads of them. What the heck? Anyways, I'm going to be teaching a bunch of classes in the Bay Area about how tracking is the secret language of nature. And by knowing tracking, you are able to recognize patterns and make deductions about what's happening in the environment even when you're not there. So I've been distracted by tracking a little bit and some cool animals that I've seen, but I gotta remember that I'm still on this mission. I think the lake is somewhere over that next hill right there. I can't really read the distance numbers on this map, but I think I can figure this out. Oh my god. That lizard is so cool. Maybe I should stop and journal here. Will I ever make it? I keep wanting to stop. There's so many cool things and the tracking is so good here. I just keep looking at the ground and there's stuff everywhere. This is awesome. So came up on some tracks here and I thought I saw a domestic dog, and I was going to talk about how that's different from coyote, and then I noticed this one here, and one thing you can see about it, and I'll do the same thing I did with the jackrabbit, is it's lacking bilateral symmetry. See how it's different on each side and it follows this curve? This toe is also much further back. The back end of that toe is further back than that one. And you can notice the extra lobes, and the fact that this pad is almost as big as all of those combined would fit into it. So it's quite a big pad relative to the toes. And those are all things that dogs do not have to that degree. So that looks like a bobcat track to me. And it looks like it was moving around quite a bit here, back and forth, so that's sort of unusual. I mean, there's something going on here. It wasn't just walking through. There's a lot of bobcat tracks here. And this could be coyote, maybe domestic dog. So maybe their tracks overlap. Just super. Wow, these are really cool. Something was definitely going on here. Something smells kind of weird here also. On this side I'm noticing it look like skunk tracks. Oh yeah, something smells. It smells like there's something dead around here somewhere. Maybe that's why the bobcat and the coyote are both stopping here. It's definitely getting hotter, and it's still early. This is looking hopeful. I see all these hills sloping down that way. The lake's gotta be down here in this basin. When I was a kid, this is the kind of stuff that I loved. And I would just go out there. I didn't know what I was looking for. I was just exploring, and I would go further and cover more ground. And I might not have noticed all the little things that I notice now when I stop right at the entrance to a park and start nature journaling and geeking out right there. Sure, but I had this sort of like energy that propelled me for long periods, and I would like go to new places and really explore. And so I think what I kind of developed as I got older is this sort of like hesitance, and sometimes just geeking out on something right near the entrance is really great. But today I'm recognizing that can also be a limiting thing. And so I'm trying to I guess one of the things that I just realized today is that pushing myself out further like this connects with some of this energy that I had when I was a kid. And if I ever tap into that fully, that's the kind of thing that could fuel my nature journaling a lot further and make it so much more joyful.